Hi there guys, this is LRC35. This is the piping repair filler. This will repair all types of piping on leather car seats and furniture. So when you've got piping like you can see here around this seat, around this headrest, if there's got like a mark or a cut in the piping or a piece of it missing, obviously if you've got like a great big chunk missing, it's not going to do that. So you need to glue a piece of leather in there, and then you can use the piping repair filler to blend that piece of leather back in there that you've glued in, or vinyl that you've glued in, and it'll work and repair that for you. If you've got like a little tiny hole, then that's where the piping repair filler will come in handy so that you can actually repair your piping on your item. Again, this comes in varying sizes. This one happens to be a 50mm. It goes from 15mm right the way through to a 1 litre size. So you can buy a small bottle of this if you wanted, just to repair a small item. And again, comes with a spout, cut the top off, and you can sort of squeeze that into the piping where you need to go. And then you could use a finger and just level it out, or use a spatula if you wanted to. Once it's dry, you can lightly sand that over with like a 320 grit, and then finish off to smooth it with a 1200 grit sandpaper. That is LRC35 piping repair filler from the Leather Repair Company. Head on over to the website leatherrepaircompany.com.